Hi, I'm Tim from AutoZone, and I'm going to go over some of the specialty tools that you might need in your DIY journey and where to find them. While there's some tools that every DIYer will have in their drawers at home, there are certain things that only a mechanic might have access to. Fortunately, you have access to all these tools to purchase right in the store and even more with our free Loan-A-Tool program from AutoZone. This borescope or inspection camera is used to inspect hard-to-reach places that are often out of sight. It's basically a 3-foot tube with a camera on the end, and it can be useful for when you're looking inside your engine or in tough-to-see places. Now, a breaker bar like this one is used to help break loose some of the more stubborn nuts and bolts. The added length lets a user generate a lot more force and torque than a standard wrench or ratchet. This circuit tester can help a mechanic test circuits in places like starters or fuel pumps. The tool allows me to isolate the problem quickly, and I can figure out exactly what part I need to replace without taking anything apart. All of the neat tools that you just saw are available at your local AutoZone. If you have any questions on how to use them, don't be afraid to approach an AutoZoner. Thanks for watching, and for more tips, be sure to like and subscribe below.